Discover iOS 17's auto symbol lookup feature. Snap a photo of car dashboard symbols or laundry tags, swipe up, and tap Lookup. Visual Lookup deciphers symbols effortlessly. Capture perfect shots with iOS 17's camera level. Enable it in Settings, and a line helps you align your phone. It turns yellow when perfectly level. Quickly crop photos with iOS 17's Photos app. Zoom in, tap crop, and adjust. Long press for different aspect ratios. It's a fast, intuitive way to edit images. iOS 17 introduces multiple timers. Perfect for multitasking, set and label timers for workouts or cooking. Easily track time-bound activities with this handy feature. Lock white balance while recording videos on iOS 17. Prevent color fluctuations by enabling this feature in camera settings. Gain control over color temperature in continuous footage. Prevent eye strain with iOS 17's screen distance. Using Face ID, it alerts you if you're too close to the screen, promoting healthier viewing habits for all users. iOS 17 auto-deletes one-time passwords after use. Enable this in settings to keep your messages and mail clutter-free. Autofill now works with the Mail app too. iOS 17 revamps widgets with interactivity. Access Safari's reading list, message contacts, or control smart devices directly from widgets. Experience a more intuitive and engaging interface